Selena Gomez and Taylor Swift prove there's nothing like a true blue friend. The Only Murders in the Building star and her Carolina singer BFF showed their unwavering support of each other during a TikTok video on Thursday, June 23. It all started with Selena sharing a sneak peek at her new makeup by doing a tutorial with Taylor's song The Man blasting in the background. Taylor returned the favor by commenting, "It's giving CEO, it's giving gorgeousness, it's giving friends forever." Well, all that, and the fact Selena did a little lip syncing to Taylor's song, sent the entertainer's stans in a frenzy. Selena using her bestie's song, "Doing Nails," wrote one fan, as another simply posted, "Taylena." Yet another captured the essence of the emotional responses by sharing, "It's Selena and Taylor world, we're just living in it." The outpouring of love from fans of Selena and Taylor's friendship is nothing new, as the two pop icons have been besties for quite some time. Back in 2008, they became close while both dating Jonas Brothers, Selena with Nick and Taylor with Joe. It was hysterical, Selena recalled of their friendship forming during a Kiss FM interview in 2017. "It was amazing, because she was the girl with the big curly hair and all the bracelets and the cowboy boots. And I was definitely up and coming, and we just clicked. It was the best thing we got out of those relationships." 3 years later, Selena gushed even more about Taylor's friendship, saying it's much deeper than the public knows, as they often keep some things to themselves. "She has showed up for me in ways that I would have never expected," Selena explained to Wall Street Journal. "Flown in because I was hurt and was going through something. Stuff that was going on with my family. It's been proven year after year and in every moment of my life that she is one of my best friends in the world. We don't agree on everything, but we respect each other with everything.